Hello everybody, good morning and welcome to my channel. And in today's video, I'm gonna share what are the things that you can do when you wake up early in the morning. First, today, my husband woke up at 3:30. So I also wake up to take care of him, basically, prepare his breakfast and his lunch. And then, I did not go back to sleep. What I did was clean up his car. Mini truck. See how shiny it is? I just dry clean them with 2 towels and a soap in water. See how clean it is? I'm so proud because it's my first time cleaning this truck. See, I'll just show how clean it is because I'm so proud of doing it. And of course, I water the plants. See how clean it is? Oops. I don't want to show. Oh, this has no plate number in it. See, it's very clean. And how is the plants going? There you go, the plants. That's the plants. And like that too. See how nice it is? And I went to clean up the pool after I clean here in the front yard. So while my son is sleeping. And I'm doing laundry also. See the laundry? And the dryer is ongoing. And the pool, while I'm busy brushing the pool, I run the laundry. I am not showing the living room because it's like a big trash can. Everything is scattered because Tyler got a new toy from birthday. He likes to play now. He's so inspired. See, ayan, there. And I water there too. There you go. See, that's what you can do in the morning is before the sunrise. Before the sun, you're already awake, so you can do a lot of things. And then next is of course I give him bath. Hey, what you do? New. See, he's already dirty. Bye. See, I give him bath, but the living room is kinda scattered. And look, I don't know, I'm gonna clean up that one too, my decorations, because I need to save them for later. And I want to wash Tyler's clothes because I don't want to put them in the washing machine because the garter will be what? I don't know what's the term though, but see, we're gonna hand wash this. Hand wash. So I only bought 2 pair of his. So basically, I put the soap. I'm using ordinary detergent for his clothes now. So this one I only have 2 that because they grow so fast. Oh, see the bathtub. I need to bleach it, but well. See that one too? I bought it in a Goodwill, but I want to take care of it. And his underwear. Because I don't want to put this in the washing machine. They get easily ripped off or they get broken. So, hand wash muna tayo. Ganyan ang hand wash dito, guys. Uy, may ano man. Paano ba yan maano ang camera? Sus ko. Ganyan lang, guys. So, when you wake up early in the morning, you have a lot to do. So, as a mother, there's a lot to do before your son wakes up and, go all over the place. Scattered again the things that you already arranged. That's the way it is. Oh, wow. Now I found a style how to do the camera. I love YouTube, guys, because it made me discover, push me to do more things, and it made me record what I am doing. Even though for others it doesn't matter, but to me it matters because it's making memories. So guys, yan, ganyan tayo maglaba, no? It's like Philippines. Yan, tas may camera pa, diba? So kasi nilagyan, Tyler was eating his cake yesterday and he smashed it all over his face. And this clothes also, I mean this vest, they call it vest, I'm not very sure. Sometimes my terminologist is wrong. But that's what happened when you don't speak English all the time. Of course, I use my dialect still because I want my son to learn, and I always talk to my sisters. So there's no way that I will always use my English unless my husband is home. See, that's how you understand. They're not that dirty, so you can do it so quick and so on. And don't put them in the dryer. I don't put them in the dryer. I hang them in the where? Garage, because they get dry. But on winter, this winter, I don't know how I'm gonna dry them. Maybe I will change the clothesline here inside. Put them there. Oh, he's crying. I don't know what's his drama. Goodbye, everybody. Thank you for watching. Bye. Wake up early and you can do a lot of things. Life is beautiful and wonderful. Keep moving so you go somewhere. Bye. Thank you so much, guys.